Welcome back, guys. Maybe you're like me and you hate to clean, hate to keep things organized, but you like it to be, and you know it stresses you and drains you from essential energy that you need to get things done when you look around and see things are left unkept. Well, I got some tips for you. First tip, always do things when you first get home. So the main thing you need to see is that each of our lives, depending on what all goes on, takes a different amount of time to maintain it. Maybe it takes 30 minutes a day to maintain your life. Maybe it takes 45 minutes. But when you add all that up for a complete week and you're like trying to rush and do it all at one time, then of course it takes 4 hours, 5 hours to get it all done. And then you're like, I hate doing this. It takes all day Saturday to do this, and I want to get other things done on Saturday. Well, break this up into small amounts. And maybe you can start with 10 minutes a day and see what 10 minutes can do. And then if you need more time, go 15 minutes, 20 minutes, till you find what it takes to get it done. And then you have a routine each day. So right off the bat, as I come in, usually I always drop my keys and things in my wallet and all that. So having a place to put those, your wallet, your keys, that way you don't have to go hunt for them every single time. That saves you time, that saves you a headache in the long run. But we come in the door, first thing we need to do is set the timer for a period of time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So before I even have time to let the room literally begin to bring me down and my energy level down by looking at all the things that needs to be done, I'm going to go set the timer for my time, whether it's 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So we're going to start with 10 minutes and see what we can get done. Now guys, the first thing I'm tackling is garbage. And you say, why are you going to do that when you're going to find garbage along the way anyway? After you pick up things, there's going to be garbage underneath things. Well, the reason why we're going to do garbage first, we're going to get the most evident garbage first. The things that are right in our eyesight first. We might get more garbage later, that's fine. But we're going to get the biggest thing, because guess what? This stuff doesn't even belong in the house. This stuff belongs in a landfill or on the side of the road in a bag. So it's not going to be here. So we're going to get rid of it first. Now we got that out of the way, you might find that your energy level has increased, because you might can go another 10 minutes, or you might go another 5 minutes, because now all that junk is out of the way. You can actually see the things that need to be moved and rearranged in your house. So the next step, guys, is to deal with the clothes. Now, I'm not telling you to put the clothes up yet, but I'm telling you to sort through the clothes. If it is dirty, put it in a pile in the hallway outside the rooms. The bedrooms that are dirty, so they can, or in a hamper or wherever you use, and then take those piles of dirty clothes in the hamper or whatever and put them in the laundry room so they can be washed. And if they're clean, put them on the bed so they can be put up. The third thing we're going to do, guys, if you got any time left, or if you had to reset your time, it doesn't matter. The third thing we're going to clean up, guys, is food, whether it be peanut butter jar that you was just eating out of with a spoon, whatever it is. Put the lid on it, put it where it belongs, put those things up, as well as get the dishes, the dirty dishes that you got, whether if there were paper plates, you've already thrown them in the trash. But if there are actual plates that need to be cleaned, take all the dirty dishes and put them all in the sink, and take all of the food items and put them back where they go. Now, once you get those things done, the only other thing you've got to do is go through with a box or basket and pick up any items that do not belong in that area and put them in that basket, so you can take that basket and redistribute those things where they belong in the house. So you go through and do that. So this step here, because you've already picked up everything that's out of place, you have all the clothes up, all the dishes up, the trash up. Now what you can do is wipe down surfaces and sweep, mop the floor, vacuum the floor, get all that done. This final step, guys, is to deal with our individual category issues that we've got. We've got maybe a pile of dishes to do, Maybe we've got these clean laundry that needs to be put up. We've got this basket of items that are need to be redistributed where they belong in their spot that is dedicated to them. And as well, we need to go and do laundry for the dirty clothes that need to be cleaned as well as put up when they are done. Once these items and all these things are done, you should have a whole lot cleaner house than when you started. Hope this helps. Taking these steps, this route and approach to cleaning your place, and apply, and tell me what you think in the comments, whether you like this approach and it helps you as it helps me. God bless.